Evo roll into Daikoku, I bet. This thing looks super sick. Probably one of the best looking Evos I've ever seen. So we are on our way to one of the infamous underground meets of Tokyo, Daikoku. So Daikoku is this rest area. It's an area where you can come, park, grab some food at the convenience store, grab some fuel, take a nap, rest, you name it. It's a parking area, and they have a lot of these in Tokyo. But for this particular one, it became a really famous place for people to come and park and chill. There should be a lot of sick cars there. We're pulling up there with a couple R34 GTRs, and yeah, we're gonna explore around, see what cool builds we can find, see new friends that we can potentially make, and yeah, just enjoy the underground Tokyo night scene in the car world. So I'm pretty pumped about it. Something I've been looking forward to do. Is probably one of the most anticipated things I've wanted to do, is to roll up on that meet, especially not just rolling up on it just with any car, but rolling up on it with an R34 GTR. So yeah, it's nighttime, the sun has set, it's time for the cars and the people to come out and play. Slowly starting to roll in. We're not too early at all. It's gonna get lit later on tonight. Look at these things. Seems like a pretty solid spot right here. Daikoku has officially started. There's already some cool rides rolling in. is a wrap here at Daikoku. My first full-on Daikoku experience. Came here the other day, and wasn't that many people here because of rain and all that stuff. But came back here again today and tonight, and it's been a blast. Really cool cars and stuff. Minus some of the dumb people doing stupid stuff like revving up and doing stupid burnouts. Don't be an idiot like that. If you go to a meet, do not do burnouts. Do not rev up. It's really dumb. It's really whack. If your car does not grab attention by the way it idles, then your car does not need to rev to gain attention. If you have to rev to gain attention, you're lame. Just know that you're lame, you're whack, and you suck. So don't do that. Your car should sound good enough at idle that people should like that and be like, oh wow, I'm attracted to that car, right? If it doesn't sound good at idle, then you don't need to rev up then. Just don't do it. No one needs to rev up. Revving up's for whack people. Anyways, off that rant. Had a good time tonight, and luckily it didn't get fully shut down or anything. The cops did come through and roll through, and they kind of booted out the troublemakers for the most part. But everything else was good. We've been here having a good time, enjoying these really cool cars here. So many beautiful cars, beautiful scene. The underground Tokyo scene is here. This is it, Daikoku. Beautiful area, perfect place to do it. Lighting's amazing. Man, this is pretty awesome that they do this every single weekend. So anyways, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you all soon.